Well, here we are at Crawford Clark Cars on the Knock Road in Belfast. Just fitting one of the F770 2-channel Thinkware dash cams. Just a wee close look from the outside. Just to the left hand side, just beside the rear view mirror, and a wee view from the inside of the car. As you can see, it's tucked well up behind the mirror. As you can see, about an inch of cabling showing to give it access to the roof panel and also to give you access to your memory card. We'll just give you a wee look at the back of the car at the rear camera, give you an idea what it looks like from the outside. Nice and discreet. Get a wee look from the inside. As you see, nice and tidy. Minimal amount of wire showing. Also, that's been fitted on the new Skoda Superb. If this is something that you would like, please contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, both Mahara and Belfast.